Hello viewers, welcome to AQC Group. Today we are going to see August 17, 2020 coconut copra tender coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. First we are going to see Karnataka copra wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Tiptur minimum price 40, maximum price 100. Turvikeri minimum price 75, maximum price 103 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see Kerala copra wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Kanjangadu minimum price 97, maximum price 102. In kerafed, maximum price 108 rupees 94 paise per kg. Next we are going to see Karnataka coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel AQC Group. Sira minimum price 9, maximum price 18, Tiptur minimum price 8, maximum price 13 rupees 50 paise, Bangalore minimum price 8, maximum price 18 rupees per number. Honali maximum price 8, Harihara maximum price 8, Sante Sargur maximum price 8 rupees per number. Chennarayapatna maximum price 10, Gundlupet maximum price 9 rupees 50 paise per number. Next we are going to see August 17, 2020 Kerala coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. Adirampula minimum price 35, maximum price 37, Manjeri minimum price 29, maximum price 30 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see Punjab coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel AQC Group. In Jalandhar minimum price 25, maximum price 28 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see Karnataka tender coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. Pandavapura minimum price 10, maximum price 17, Malur minimum price 18, maximum price 22, KRPet minimum price 6, maximum price 20 rupees per number. In Chennarayapatna, maximum price 10 rupees. In Sante Sargur, maximum price 9 rupees per number. Next we are going to see August 17, 2020 Punjab tender coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. In Jalandhar, minimum price 15, maximum price 22 rupees per number. To get the daily market updates of various agricultural commodities, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Do watch and share this video to the farming community. Thanks for watching.